Mercedes-Benz has revealed the second-generation GLC Coupe. Price. It is expected to be priced from Rs 65 lakh, ex-showroom, onwards. Launch. The new GLC Coupe could be launched by April 16, 2024. Variants. It gets 7 variants. 204 304 220D 4MATIC and 300D 4MATIC are the mild hybrid ones, and 300E 4MATIC, 400E 4MATIC and 300D 4MATIC are the plug-in hybrid ones. Engine and transmission. With the 2024 GLC Coupe, you get 2 engine options in different states of tune. A 2-liter petrol engine, 204 PS/320 Nm and 258 PS/400 Nm, and a 2-liter diesel unit, 197 PS/440 Nm and 269 PS/550 Nm. Both engines come with a 48-volt mild hybrid support. The plug-in hybrid variants get a 31.2 kWh battery pack with the same engine options. The 2-liter petrol engine gets 2 stages of tune, 313 PS/550 Nm and 381 PS/650 Nm, and the 2-liter diesel unit makes 333 PS/750 Nm. Features. Its features list comprises an 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 12.3-inch digital driver's display, a panoramic sunroof, heads-up display, ambient lighting, and an optional 15-speaker Burmester sound system. Safety. On the safety front, the 2024 GLC Coupe gets multiple airbags, a 360-degree camera, and autonomous driving features like parking assist, emergency braking, and active steering assist. Rivals. The 2024 GLC Coupe will rival the Audi Q5, Lexus NX and Porsche Macan. Pros. Sizzling performance with matching exhaust note. Quick gearbox. Front seat comfort and space. AMG brag rights. Cons. Jarring ride quality. Not so frugal. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.